You ever hear people say a bad workout is better than no workout? Well, I'm here to tell you, if you have a busy schedule like me and you have a demanding lifestyle, that is simply not the case. In fact, I've actually seen the opposite. If you go to the gym, you have constantly bad workouts, it's the opposite effect. It's going to give you a sure way to kill your momentum and kill your consistency. And if you don't have consistency, you do not see results. If you really want to transform your body and actually keep those results, it is not about just showing up to the gym. It's about having something way more valuable than that. It might sound simple, but it's about having clarity. So if you ever ask yourself the question, why isn't this working for me? Am I doing the right workouts? What am I doing here? If you ever ask yourself any of those questions, I created a step-by-step fitness plan. It's called Master the Physique Playbook. It's going to help you ditch the belly fat. It's going to help you feel better in your clothes, and it's going to give you simple and a lean, effective fitness strategies that you can follow. The key is having clarity. So this guide is going to give you clarity, and in this video today, I'm going to walk you through a Planet Fitness workouts video that you can actually follow. It's going to give you a sample of what we're going to do in the Master the Physique Playbook. If you're somebody who has a busy lifestyle and you want to get into this and you want to actually have real results without all having the guesswork, follow a plan, get the results. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. So the first one you want to do is get into the Stairmaster. I recommend doing at least 5 or 10 minutes on the Stairmaster, but the big thing is you don't want to hold the rails. Most people, when they're doing the Stairmaster, they're holding the rails, and it just kills your momentum. So even if you're a beginner, just go slow and just do not hold it. Just walk right there. I don't care if you do 2 minutes. Start it like that, but warm up. We want to start the workout with 5 to 10 minutes. We just want to get your heart rate going. You don't want to go and run a race without warming up. So this is just a quick warm up. As you can see, we're getting it in right here. Quick steps, but we're not holding on the rails, so don't hold on. All right, so we're about to get into the first movement. This workout right here is gonna be a full body workout. We're gonna work out your body from head to toe. I'll try to be as realistic as possible. So right now it's about 8 o'clock. And when you go to the gym, typically it's gonna be a lot of people in the gym. So it's good if you do things like, what's up, man? Oh, no, nope, it's all good. It's all yours. A lot of people are going to be using a bunch of machines. So the best thing to do is actually use dumbbells when the gym is like this. So this workout is going to be mostly a dumbbell workout, but it's going to work your full body. So if you're somebody who's trying to lose some belly fat and actually get toned up, let's get into it. All right, so for the first exercise right here, I've got 20 pounds, but choose a weight. I say about 70% of your 1 rep max. So what that means is about your 1 rep max means like if you can do one weight, like using all the strength that you can only one time, then that's like really heavy. So about 70% of that. So once you get about 7 reps out of 10 and it start to burn, that's where you know you're there. So basically something that's not too hard, but not too easy. Simplify it. First workout is gonna be squat to a press. So this is gonna be a full body compound movement. All right, this one is probably gonna take you out for sure. You're gonna go down here, squat, and then you're gonna press it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna do 3 sets. Just talk to you in between. So in between these sets right here, I usually take about 20 seconds break. A lot of times now I'm pretty seasoned and I like to do another exercise in between, but this is a beginner workout. Once you get really good, you can do like a superset, which means that I might do push-ups or pull-ups in between, but we're just getting started. You see my breath, I'm breathing. I'm breathing. All right. 15, 20 seconds. If you're just you're a beginner, you're just trying to get back into your fitness, you can take a minute break. But you just want to keep pushing yourself. It's all you. Yeah. All right, next one. Squat. Let's go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's 2. Typically on each exercise, you want to do at least 3 to 4 sets of each exercise. A lot of times when I'm programming something for a client, we focus on progressive overloads. What that means is I'm doing the similar movements for about 3 or 4 weeks, and then I switch it up. You don't want to go to the gym with a random plan and you're doing a different exercise every time. You're not giving yourself or your muscles enough time to actually grow. So you want to keep repeating doing those workouts. So like I said in the beginning of the video, if you didn't download the Master Physique playbook, make sure you download that so you can have like a routine that you can follow. But let's get the last one going. I feel like a guest in here, man. I've never been in here before, but I came to this gym, do it for y'all. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Something about a camera, just have everybody looking. Feel like they never seen it before. I don't know. Somebody watching me right now. What's up, man? How you doing? It's funny, I got a little kid on the side of me right now just watching me, copying what I'm doing. It's all good, man. Inspire the youth, you know what I'm saying?
My name is Xavier, and my motivation for working out is to beat my teacher in a race after he beat me in a race today. So I'm trying to get faster than him, and I recommend trying the channel. So yeah, check out the channel.
Nice. All right.
And make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, let them know. Right.
Yeah.
Inspire the youth. Quick tip too. When I'm working out, if you don't have a water bottle, I get a water bottle like this. This is a 32-ounce water bottle. I usually fill it up one time really, but if I finish this within the gym, I get my workout started. So throughout the day, I finish at least 3 of these, and that's my workout, my water for the day. If you struggle getting your water in, just buy a water bottle during your workout, finish that whole bottle, then you're already a third there, halfway there. We're about to go into some shoulders, all right? We want to work the whole body, so we're gonna start from the full body. Now we're going to a shoulder exercise. This one right here is gonna be a lateral raise to a front raise. I'm gonna grab these 8 pounds right here in front of me. I can go heavier, but you know what I mean. I don't want to show off at the gym like that. They got the lunk alarm here and I don't want to get lunked. But, all right, so here we go. This is how it's gonna look. You're gonna come up, across, back across, and then down. That's 1. Up, cross, back across, down. That's 2. Up, cross, back across, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For the purpose of the video, I'll probably speed this up and actually just go straight into the next exercises after I do these 3 sets. The main thing, I want you to just see what I'm doing so you can copy it, go to the gym and try it out yourself. If you do try it, come back to the video, comment, or just hit me up. I'm all on social media and I want to know how it works for you. I guarantee it's gonna work. So we're gonna finish this 2nd and 3rd set, and then every other one I'm just gonna go through all the movements so you can see what I'm doing. All right, let's go.
Let me see. The sweat is real. The workout is real. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was the 3rd set. Let's keep it moving. All right, so full disclaimer, I do not go to this gym. This is not my personal gym right here. So people might be looking at me a little crazy, like, who is this guy here recording? So if you see me looking around, don't worry about all that. We're gonna go right into cardio leg movements. So we want to keep it moving. This workout should probably take you about 40 minutes to finish it. This is gonna be body weight, but you can week by week do dumbbells as well. So we're gonna do lunges, 10 on each side, and then you're gonna do 20 jumping jacks. We're gonna repeat this 3 times. 4, 5. If you can't do lunges, or if it hurts your knees, you can swap these out for squats. Or if squats hurt your knees, just go, but you don't have to go all the way down. So just barely go. Let me give you a side view as well. So you're gonna do 10 on each side, stepping. On these, if you can, you want about a 10-second break. You don't want a long break, about 10 seconds, and then go to the next one. So don't take forever on these. I want your heart rate to be up. I want everything to be moving. So after you do 10 on each, right into jacks, 20. Knock them out. Hope my mic is not just rambling and jumping on you, but 20, 10. 20, 10. Wait about 10 seconds if you need it, but if you can, go right back to the next one, go right into it. Week after week, if you're actually doing this for about 4 weeks, start using the dumbbells. And the dumbbells, hold them to your side. This is gonna help you with your balance, your core strength, your leg strength. But for now, start with no weight. And go here. All right, after you do 10 on each, another 20 jacks. You got the picture on that one, but we're going to the next. All right, so we're almost done with the workout. We probably got about 15 minutes left. It's not too crazy, but this one right here, we're gonna come up, we're gonna work the core now, all right? So I want you to hold on to this as tight as you can, and we're gonna go up, squeeze your core for 10, okay? 10 reps here. After you get 10 reps, you're gonna go straight leg out for 10. Legs might be burning, so you can take a little break, especially after those lunges and those jacks. But this is combined, so eventually you wanna go back and forth, but no break. 10 and 10. This is gonna be 3 sets, all right? The key on these is control your body. Don't let it just flop. Control your body. 10 and 10. All right, so for the last thing here, we want to finish off on an incline. So on the left side of the treadmill, there's a plus sign. Just hit the plus sign and you want to go on an incline. You want to work your way up to a level 10 incline, but if you're just starting off, you can go at 5 and then week after week, work yourself up. You're gonna go level 10 incline. Speed is about 2.0, 2.5. And then you're gonna walk it out for 10 minutes. All right, simple as that. We're just gonna walk it out for 10 minutes. All right, so we started the workout off. We did the Stairmaster. We went through all the exercises and we're gonna finish this one off with another walk on the incline, 10 minutes. Once you get really good and you feel like you wanna push yourself a little bit more, at the end, what you can do is every minute of this workout, at the end, 1 minute you're gonna walk, the next minute you'll speed it up and then you'll run. So you'll go from maybe 2.0 speed to like 4.5 and then you'll run. And then you'll take it back down for the next minute and then you'll walk for 1 minute. So you'll walk for 1 minute, run for 1 minute, walk for 1 minute, run for 1 minute, and you'll do that for 10 minutes. And that'll be your complete workout. I hope this video was super valuable for you. If you do go to Planet Fitness, or if you're a beginner and you're thinking about getting to actually to the gym, Planet Fitness is really actually a great gym to actually get started in because it is cheap, simple, and it's non-judgmental. You can just go in there and actually get the work done. So I highly recommend it if you can go there, $10 a month, whatever they charge, and actually get that work in. And do not go to the gym and just say, just because I had a workout, I feel good, I'm getting a good sweat in. We don't want to do that. We want to actually have clarity so we can actually get results. If you go to the gym and you're just working out all random, you might feel good immediately, but if you're not getting the results, the motivation will fade. So let's have clarity. Don't forget to download the Master the Physique playbook. Download it. I'll put it all in the description. It's free. Just download that guide. You can put it on your phone, or you can have a printed off document and go to the gym. Get that work in. Let's go. Let's get it. Make sure you watch more of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.